This is what your activities will look like today. You will also have your speaker button next to all of your directions so you can listen to the words. This problem says, there were some frogs. 4 more frogs come to visit. Then there were 7 frogs. How many frogs were there before? So I have to think about what the words are telling me. First, I know there were some frogs, but I don't know how many. Next, I know 4 more frogs come to visit. So when I look at my picture, I can see 2 sets of frogs. This set has 1, 2, 3 frogs, and this set has 1, 2, 3, 4 frogs. So these must be the frogs that are coming to visit. Then there were 7 frogs. So now I know all together there are 7 frogs. How many frogs were there before? Now I have to find out how many frogs are in this set. My next direction says circle the set being added. So the set being added means how many more frogs are coming. So when I think back to my problem, it told me there were some frogs, 4 more frogs come to visit. So I need to circle the set that shows me 4 frogs coming to visit. Here they are. So I'm going to click and drag my circle around them. My next direction says, how many are in the set to start with? Complete the addition sentence. One way I can do this is by looking at my model or my picture. I have 2 sets of frogs that I am adding together. When I look at each set, I can count how many are in the set. My first set, I have 1, 2, 3 frogs. My next set that's being added has 1, 2, 3, 4 frogs. So I can see that set is already in my addition sentence to show me 4 frogs being added. That means this is the set that I started with. And if I count again, that's 1, 2, 3 frogs. So I need to type the number 3. Now to check my work, I can think about the numbers and make sure they add up to make 7 frogs. So I have 3, 1, 2, 3, plus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. When I put those together, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means 3 plus 4 equals 7. Now, after I finish this problem and I check my work, I can go on to the next slide. I'm going to listen to my directions for each step. And if I need to, I can press my speaker button and I can listen again. Just like when we looked at our problem with the frogs, I had to reread. That means read the problem again.